I don't usually get cape, but this braid right here, it's one of the most underrated gems in Kenya's hair game currently. Now it's called Coco Twists by Angels, and honestly, I'm shocked more people aren't talking about it. Just look at these curls. They are soft, very lightweight, and perfect for twists and crochet hairstyles. I've worked with all kinds of braids, but this one has a texture and bounce that just gives luxury on a budget. If you are tired of the same old braiding hair and want something that stands out without doing too much, just keep watching. Let's transform this braid into a gorgeous protective style that's effortless and elegant. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Lisa and I share simple, beautiful, protective styles you can actually wear and enjoy. If you love hair content and creative styling ideas, make sure you stick around. Now, without wasting time, let's jump right into the tutorial. So guys, the main method of installation I use here is crochet. So I am going to do crochet in the whole head, but I tried to find a way that I was not going to take too much time on the hairstyle. So that is why I did the single installation method at the front, and then at the back I did some cornrows, as you can see. So you can just follow these steps, or you can do like what you like, you're comfortable with. But this one I found it to be much faster, and yes, you get the same results, almost the same results at the end. And before we continue, one thing you have to keep in mind is that the Coco Twists are not that long, so you have to consider the length of your hair before doing this kind of installation method, or just doing the Coco Twists. Okay, they're not long, they don't have a longer option, but this one still works. My client's hair was a bit short, as you can see, but I'm glad that it was able to, like, the results were what we actually expected. Okay, so here we are already started with the crochet. So I'm going to, in the next one, I'm going to show you how exactly we are doing. And then about the style in which we are twisting the hair in, it depends on which kind of results you want to achieve. If you twist clockwise, you get different results. If you twist anti-clockwise, you get different results. So try them both first. We also did try them both, and then our client chose this kind of style. She wanted them to be very curly. Okay, so try both of them, whichever works for you, then go ahead with it. So you can see here we are doing the crochet. You crochet the hair gently into the tuck out, and then you get another small hair piece to, like, kind of hold everything down there. Yeah, so everything just like comes out very neatly. After making sure you have secured at the base, it's well secured, like, yeah, you can see you're twisting like once, twice, or even 3 times. Now you can go ahead and start with your twist. And guys, please note, when you're twisting fast at the bottom, like a bit over length, you tighten it first so that the natural hair is really holding onto the braid properly, and then the rest you can twist it very loosely or a bit loosely, depending on the kind of final results that you want. So that is why I'm telling you, play with the hair first and see which one you're comfortable with, which one you want to go with, or which one your client wants. Yes, and then you can go ahead and do the full head. So you're already done at the front doing the tuckouts crocheting. Then you also at the back, because I told you earlier her hair is short. Even some areas she didn't have hair, but it just really worked fine. So here now we are on to the cornrows that we did with the natural hair. You're now going to crochet and just repeat the same process as you did with the tuckouts, just twisting up to the end. So yeah, I found this method to be very quick. It saves on time. But if you want a different style, do whichever style you want to work with. But I wanted to share this style because it is very quick. You all know how you can spend so many hours in the salon just doing a hairstyle like this one. Yeah, I found that this one works really well, and I was able to style it in different options. Hopefully I'm going to show you at the end of the video some of the styling options. Another beautiful thing about this hair is that it's very easy to maintain. You can go to the gym with it, you can swim with it, you can almost do many things. Go on a walk and you'll still be able to maintain it well, and it won't be like a hassle to maintain it. Look at that final look, how they are so full, and I just love the colors. Just and the colors, guys, I'm not even talked about this one. We use 133. Yes, they have different options for colors, but it really worked really well. So if you like short hairstyles, this is the go-to braid for you. So yeah, up to there, I hope you have learned something, and I'm so happy that you have watched till the end. So thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so that you get more hair tutorials like this one. Like this video, share it, click the subscribe button and the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this hair. Is it something that you are gonna go for? Let us know in the comment section.